Hi, I'm Helga from Helga'S Pennsylvania Cooking, and today I'm going to share a fall dish that's actually from my side of the family. This is something that my mom always made when I was growing up, and I love it. And it's corn pudding. Not baked corn, but corn pudding. It's actually corn with bread, so it's almost like a corn and bread pudding mixed together casserole. I often have it in the fall and over the winter because it's a really hearty dish and it's yummy and it's really easy to put together. So I'm going to bring you along while I mix it up. First thing I do is I put in 3 eggs. Aren't they pretty? My girls made those. Nothing like good eggs. And half a cup of milk. And I will whisk that together good. Like so. Then I'm going to add in 1 medium chopped onion, mix that a little bit, 2 cans, 14.75 ounce cans of cream corn. That's where the corn comes for the corn pudding. And I guess it's about a cup of brown sugar. Mix that all together well. And it will look sort of like this. And then I add my bread, my cube bread. This is it's brown wheat bread. That's typically what we eat the most of here, or rye, mostly wheat though. And that's 4 cups and another 4 cups, and we'll see if we'll need more than that, because honestly I never measured it before. I just threw it all in together. So you want to incorporate that together well, and that's probably going to be about right. So make that 8 cups of cubed bread. Just give that a good mix. So, not the prettiest, but it tastes really good. And I'm going to put that in a, I sprayed this with cooking spray so it won't stick. I'm going to put that in the casserole dish. Look at that. Perfect. Just put this around like this. The only other thing I'm going to do is add some breadcrumbs. Now you bake this at 350. I think it's for around 50 minutes covered, but the last 10 minutes you uncover it. Here we go. You uncover it and let it finish baking uncovered. Maybe 50 minutes, yeah. So I'm now gonna just stick this in the oven and bake at 325 Fahrenheit. We'll take a look when it comes out. Okay, so the corn pudding is out of the oven, and I'm just gonna take a knife and put it in to make sure that it comes out clean, and it is. If it's still too much liquid, you want to keep it in a little bit longer because the bread cubes and stuff will absorb that liquid. I then let it cool for a while because it's still hot when it comes out, and after it's cooled, we'll dish it up and show you what I'm pairing it with. So, dinner's all dished up. So I have corn pudding and butternut squash mash with a pork tenderloin, marinated pork tenderloin, roast carrots and celery. And just to try out both the butternut squash and corn pudding are my mom's recipes. That is the best way in the world to eat squash. Winter squash is so good this way. And then the corn pudding. So good. So there's an idea for a winter meal. So something that I make a lot around here. I grew up with on the farm. And you know, those oldies are goodies, and I still love them. So that's how you make corn pudding, and the butternut squash is in another vid. Thank you. Like, subscribe, and join me next time here in Helga'S, Pennsylvania.